In this video, I'm about to show you how to renew your driving license online in Chicago, Illinois. First, navigate to your web browser and search for Renew Driving License Chicago. Next, click the link to visit the Illinois Gov website. Once on the site, you'll find a Renew a Driver's License section. To get started, click the Go to Service button here. It'll show you all the services and on-screen instruction to renew your license. To get an Illinois driver's license, you must visit a Secretary of State facility, show required identification documents, and have your photo taken. After that, surrender all valid out-of-state licenses, state ID cards, and commercial driver's license. Then pay the appropriate fee and pass the proximate exams, vision screen, written, and/or driving. When all requirements are completed, a temporary secure paper driver's license valid for 90 days will be issued to serve as the DL or state ID for driving purposes. The proof of identification until the permanent DL or state ID arrives in the mail within 15 business days. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.